Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a few unboxings and this is a pretty big package, so you can kind of guess what that is. So let's get right into it. Oh, also, it has the freaking sticker all over the packaging, so not much of a guess. Let's get this going. This is a big pack, boys. Oh, that's not it. Okay. Okay, that works. That works. Okay, so it smells really plasticky here. All right, it's looking like this isn't the full package. We actually have another package coming from mvtuning, but for this first one it looks like we have their, hold on, don't want to cut anything because this actually has electrical. All right, you know what, be easier putting it on my lap. Let's be careful here because this is all just plastic. Dude, it smells terrible. Boys, I'm having a hard time. I'm sorry. I'm making a mess, holy crap. At least you guys know that they package it well, so if you buy from them, you know that it's going to be protected.
Oh, that's clean, bro.
I kind of didn't film the rest of that unwrapping because it was taking too long, but this is the rear diffuser. It's the version, I think version 2. But as you can see from the back, there's going to be some electrical involved because of the rear diffuser light. They provide the hardware. And then, yeah, so let's get back to the next thing to unwrap. So the second part of the package, I'm assuming, is going to be the front lip, at least from the shape of it. Let's find out, though. Yeah, this is looking like the front lip. Oh, almost cut myself. This one's not as bad to open because it's not as intricate. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is terrible. Boy. Okay, like I said, at least you know they package things well because this thing's freaking really secure. What is that? Oh, that's more hardware. Okay. I need the knife. Dude. Here's the front lip unwrapped. That one was a little bit easier to get out because, you know, it's less intricate, but let's go on to the test fit. So it's basically going to sit where the OEM screws and holes are, but it'll look something like this. Wait a second. Something like this. I'm blind test fitting it. I'm not even under the car, so it's going to be hard to see. How's it look? Good?
Pretty good, yeah.
Okay, cool. So it'll look something like this. Just imagine it painted and the car not so dirty, but we're going to get a test fit on the back. This one's going to be more tough because this is definitely more intricate, but it will be something like, let me light up the holes of the exhaust. Something like this. See, the diffuser will be right here, the diffuser light. So this won't be painted, so this will be on pretty soon, but this is how it's gonna look. Anyways, let's get back to the next unboxing. The last thing to unbox is gonna be these coils. These are gonna be 10K rear springs. Right now I'm running I'm running 7K in the rear, so 10K will be a huge difference, and they are a little bit shorter than the springs I have now, so I'm gonna have to adjust that. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for mvtuning for sending this out to me for free, but we are still waiting on one more package, and we need to get a lot of these parts painted, so there's still gonna be some time until they're fully on. But if you guys are looking forward to seeing the build, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.